Hello everyone, this is Elijah here, and let me welcome you to another video from Financial Anatomy. This is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Cash App in this video, specifically how do you withdraw funds from your Cash App account. So you want to start off by clicking on your Cash App and opening it up. And this can basically be done in two ways, which we will go over. You'll want to start out by clicking your balance in the bottom left hand corner. And once you're here, you want to hit the Cash Out button. Now, what you will see will depend on a few factors. If you have a bank account and a debit card linked on your account, then you have the option to cash out using standard or cash out using instant. If you just have a bank account linked, you'll just have the option to cash out standard. If you just have a debit card, you'll just have the option to cash out instantly. We're going to assume that you have both, but if you do need help linking either of the two mentioned, you want to check the following videos out on the screen to give you a hand with that. Moving on from that, first you need to decide how much you actually want to cash out. You can do that by moving the dollar icon left and right. I'm going to cash out the maximum, which in this case is going to be $11.85. Now method one is if I wanted to withdraw my funds using my bank account, I would click on standard. The standard time will give you an estimate of around what day your funds will arrive in the bank account. As you can see, it's a few days away from today. But it is free, so that's the advantage of withdrawing to a bank account. The second method is using the instant method, which will move the funds to your debit card, which in turn will move it to your bank account, but the debit card is a conduit to get it in there. The advantage to this is basically instant. It takes a few seconds, but the drawback is it does have a fee attached to it. You'll be able to see the fee amount before you actually complete the transfer. If you're wondering exactly how much is this fee, it's shown on the screen right now according to Cash App's own article. So we're going to go ahead and do the instant. So I'm going to click on instant, and boom, the money has now been moved from my Cash App to my bank account, which is a withdrawal. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in signing up for Cash App but don't know how to do so, you can check this video out on the screen, which walks you through how to sign up. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.